Zagreb just ahead. So, the border crossing Stara Gradiška. I covered almost 30 kilometers on reserve. The line is full and I am not gonna risk because you never know. The police could be just around the corner.
So empty catacombs.
Sarajevo has a lot more to offer than just Baščaršija and the heritage of the Olympic Games from 1984.
This is a novel that everybody should know about, and I recommend it for reading.
Very, very nice lake on the left side, guys. So really wonderful. Lukomir, it's on the way back to Sarajevo, and it is the opposite direction. So now I refueled and I have almost full tank, and this is just, you know, to be sure, because you never know. And I am crossing the Neretva river, so very, very nice. I am almost out of breath, guys. Look at the road. Look.